I remember the old coal fire, the dancing of the flames, creating such a picture show with shadows oh so strange, bouncing off the very walls, the ceiling and the floor. Images of creepy things walking through the door, cuddling up to Mom and Dad, holding on so tight as we watch the silent show in the darkness of the night. Eerie and exciting things, both in equal measure. Just an old coal fire it was, but it brought us warmth and pleasure.